The following program is classified M, recommended for viewing by mature audiences 15 years and over. It contains violence, coarse language, drug use and/or drug references, and mature themes. Use of the parental control system is advised.
One morning, Thomas was taking it easy after a good night shunting when he was surprised by a visit from the Fat Controller. He told Thomas that he was about to send him on a very special mission the next day, and that if he told anyone about it, he'd put his boilers in a vice and squeeze them very hard. The next morning, Thomas was attached to 6 mean and dirty old tank carriages. One of them said, "What are you staring at, you poncy little pillow biter?" Thomas steamed off until he came to an industrialized suburb and was directed to a disused warehouse where a couple of men in filthy overalls were waiting for him. They started to fill his tankers with purple slime from drums decorated with a skull and crossbones. Soon all the tankers were full, and they headed off, after one of the men gave the Fat Controller a large brown paper bag. The Fat Controller made Thomas pull the filthy tankers back out into the country, past fields and trees and flowers and birds, until they came to a lovely green field. The Fat Controller opened the valves on all the tankers and let the smelly purple slime ooze out onto the lush green meadow. As the sun went down, Thomas marveled at the beauty of the rural scene, as the river of purple slime glowed in the dark. A week later, Thomas had the numbers on his boiler changed. A low-income housing estate was built on the site where they dumped the purple slime, and the Fat Controller went on an extended holiday in South America, and everyone lived happily ever after.